Pineapple pork steak ingredients: 800 grams pork, loin or pork chop, 1/3 cup garlic, crushed 1/3 cup soy sauce, 3 tablespoons calamansi juice, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, black, 1/3 cup oil, for frying 1/3 cup onion, white, sliced into rings, 1 can pineapple tidbits, slices or chunks, drained, reserve syrup. Directions: marinate pork overnight in the refrigerator. Drain and reserve marinade. Heat pan with oil, then fry pork slices. Set aside. Retain 2 tablespoons of oil in the pan. In the same pan, saute onion. Add remaining marinade. Boil, cover and simmer for 5 minutes. Add fried pork chops and pineapple to garnish. Allow to simmer. Serve.